For Toyota Tacoma 2005 to 2020, 2019 to 2020 only fit front door. For Toyota Tundra 2000 to 2018, for Toyota Venza 2009 to 2012, for Toyota Yaris 2007 to 2013, for Toyota Highlander Red Wolf 2012 to 2018, for Toyota Camry 2002 to 2010, for Toyota Camry 2019 rear door, for Scion TC 2005 to 2010, for Scion TC 2011 to 2015, for Scion XA 2004 to 2006, for Scion XB 2004 to 2006, for Scion XB 2008-2012 for Lexus IS 300 2001 to 2005 front door, for Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 2002 to 2017, for Mitsubishi Galant 2000 to 2012, for Mitsubishi Eclipse 2000 to 2012, for Mitsubishi Outlander Sport 2011 to 2020, for Mitsubishi Mirage 2014 to 2018, for Mitsubishi Montero 2002 to 2008, for Mitsubishi L200 for 2008-2014. When refitting the audio, there is no need to remove the wires or cut off the original car speaker wire plug. Help you to easily install aftermarket